welcome back to my channel. This is Vidisha, and before starting the video I would like to thank all my new subscribers. It means a lot to me, and people who haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon right there. So without further delay, let's get into the video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a candle without using wax. Yes, you heard me right. So without further delay, let's get started. For this DIY, you will need any kind of a glass jar. Here I am reusing this cup. You will need some flowers to decorate, some pearls, some marbles, glitter, some water, and some oil. You will also need a candle wick and this type of a plastic container. At first, take the cup, place this here, also the flower, now the pearls inside it, okay, now some marbles, now pour some water. Put some glitter in the water, stir it, pour some oil, now keep it aside. Now take this plastic container, draw a circle over it, and cut it. Okay, I have cut it already. Now make a hole here at the center. I have made the hole. Now take the candle wick, pass it through the hole. With that, your beautiful water candle is ready. You can further decorate it with rose petals like I did here. liked the video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also share the video with your friends, and let me know what kind of videos you want me to make for my channel. So that's it for today. Bye bye.